What is love for Chopard?
Love for Chopin. Love is life, and life is love. If we don't love somebody, we are not living.
Why did you choose this theme for this party?
Because it's 22 years we are in Cannes, and when I redesigned the Palme d'Or, actually the leaf of the palm is in the shape of a heart, since ever. So I said it was about time.
Love is Chopin, as I know Caroline very well. She would say that the love is what the person has in the heart and what the person can also give. And Caroline is a person who is very generous, and she's also supporting many of charities. And that's why she created this heart bracelets and heart jewelry to give back something. I love Lebanese designers because they really know how the woman looks the most beautiful in their outfits.
Why did you choose this jumpsuit?
Because it has a red color, and the topic of tonight is love party, so that's why it's a little bit more casual and ready to dance.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, a lot.
In love by mind or by heart?
By heart, you can see.
Love, it's just a feel, it's something that comes from the inside. You feel fulfilled, you feel loved, you know, like, I think the most beautiful thing, it's when you have that, because we all, like, I'm a person that loves everyone, but to feel loved also is very important. So I feel very loved by my friends, by my family, and I think loves bring this extra sparkle all times.
What do you think love is for Chopard?
I think this extra sparkle, and you know, like every piece created has so many incredibly hours of work, and there is an extremely big team behind, so everybody puts their soul, their minds, their experience into one piece, and I think love in Chopard is an extra sparkle.
Why did you choose pink color for this love party?
Well, pink is my signature color. So you'll find me wearing black, white, and pink often, and when it's a black tie event, it gives me an amazing excuse to wear, pink tuxedo jackets.
Do you believe in love?
Of course I believe in love. It's my girlfriend right over there, the love of my life. But I just wanted to tell you, your outfit right here is absolutely stealing the show. You should be on the red carpet, not reporting. We should switch roles.
Thank you. Why you are in black and gold for the love party?
I mean, black and gold always goes together, so plus, yeah, of course, so it's really nice to be here though.
From where you are wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Extremity and Extremity Couture. We're all looking very smart and sharp, and it's a crazy brand out of Italy. Mattia Baita, she's a genius. It's just starting and it's gonna blow up, just wait.
Do you believe in love?
Of course I believe in love.
Do you think love is from mind or from heart?
Both.
سوا شاهدنا كل الفنانين وكل ضيوف شوبار بحفلة لوف بارتي. شو رأيكم نفوت لجوا ونكمل السهرة؟